Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make an evil portal on your Flipper Zero. First of all, you need the Flipper Zero connected to your PC and you need the Wi-Fi board for that. And of course you need to use custom firmware on the Wi-Fi board and your Flipper Zero. I showed that in a previous video, so if you're interested in that, I link it for you in the description. So let's start by choosing a portal file. For that I have found a GitHub repository that looks like that. I linked everything for you in the description. So let's try internet provider, for example, and let's use this one. And let's download this HTML file. So you just click here on download and here you have it. So you connect your Flipper to your PC. I personally use QFlipper for that, so it looks like that, and after that you can click here on this file manager, and here you can see I'm in my SD card. Then I located apps and data and went to Marauder. That's basically the software for the Wi-Fi board. So you can just open HTML and let's quickly delete that. So if you haven't tried any EvilPortalFiles here, it would be empty for you. So you right click on your mouse and click upload here. After that you choose your downloaded file from GitHub, like that. And now you can basically start it. So for me it looks like that. You click on apps, go down to GPUI. Then you go down to Marauder, right here. You also can add a name for your hotspot that you create. So let's just try it. So we have a Proximus HTML file, so let's call it, wait a second, we call it Proximus free Wi-Fi. And just like that you selected the Wi-Fi name that will appear for other people. So you just go back, go down to load evil portal HTML file and select that one you just uploaded, like that. And as you can see, the HTML file is set and you're basically ready to go. So you just click on Evil Portal right now, like that. And now your Wi-Fi board should have a blue light going. And as you can see, the IP address is that and the web server is up. So let's just try to test it to see if it's really working. Okay, so I'm logged in on my phone and I will show you the screenshot right now. And as you can see, you can now input your email or phone number and your password, so let's try that. And as you can see, the credentials are shown here and it's working. So basically the HTML file grabs the login credentials and output it here. So everyone that is near the Flipper can see the Wi-Fi and connect to that. But keep in mind that it's not legal to fool people like that. So basically they think that it's a Proximus free Wi-Fi from them, and they will log in and you could basically see them their credentials. So be careful with that and use it for educational purpose only, of course. And if you have issues installing the firmware on your Wi-Fi developer board or the unleashed firmware on your flipper, you can go down in the description. I have the tutorial for you. So yeah, that's basically how you create an EvilPortal and load EvilPortal HTML files. And as you can see, there are a lot of other files. You have airlines, brands like Apple, Nike, Red Bull. You also have Wi-Fi routers like Netgear or TP-Link. And it's pretty easy to use them, so it shouldn't be a problem for you. There are also tutorials how you can generate custom scripts or speed up the log data extraction. Yeah, but keep in mind, I think the HTML file only should have 20 kilobytes, because otherwise it will be too big and it will not work, so keep that in mind. Yeah, so leave a comment if you want to see more content, and leave a like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.